Hello friends, I am a trainer from GGT. Today I will explain what is AngularJS, advantages of AngularJS and the architecture. If you like the presentation, please express that in YouTube and Facebook. Please do mention the areas of improvements. What is AngularJS? It is a framework for building client applications in HTML and JavaScript. Or in Angular 2.0, we do it using TypeScript or Dart that compiles to JavaScript. This framework consists of several libraries. Some are core and some are optional. Angular applications are written by composing HTML templates with angularized markup, writing component classes to manage those templates, adding replication logic in services, and boxing components and services in module. Launch the app by bootstrapping the root module. Angular takes over presenting your application content in browser and responding to your user interactions according to the instructions you have provided. These terms might be some of them difficult for you, but in the next sessions when we write more examples, you will be able to relate and understand all this. For now, just try to understand as much as possible. Advantages of AngularJS: it provides capability to create single page application in a very clean and modular maintainable way. AngularJS provides data binding capability to HTML, thus giving user rich and responsive experience. AngularJS code is unit testable. AngularJS uses dependency injection and make use of separation of concerns. It provides reusable components. Developer writes less code and get more functionality. Here, views are pure HTML pages and controllers written in JavaScript do the business processing. On top of everything, AngularJS application can run on all major browsers, smartphones including Android and iOS based phones and tablets. Angular 2.x is 5 times faster than Angular 1.x. Here is the architecture of Angular 2.0. Look at the building blocks: component, template, directive, metadata, service, dependency injection and module. Keep it in your mind about this picture when we explain each of these building blocks. Try to relate them. There are 8 building blocks of Angular 2.x. Modules. Angular apps are modular and Angular has its own modularity system called Angular modules or ng modules. Components. A component is that which controls the view. Templates. A template is a form of HTML that tells Angular how to render the component. The view is defined using template. Metadata. Metadata tells Angular how to process a class. Data binding, a mechanism for coordinating between parts of the template and the parts of the component. There are 4 forms of data binding syntax. We will learn those in the next presentations. Directives. A directive is a class with directive metadata. When Angular renders templates, it transforms the DOM according to the instructions given by directives. Services. Service is a broad category encompassing any value, function or feature that an application needs. It is typically a class with a narrow, well-defined purpose. Dependency injection. Dependency injection is a way to supply new instance of a class with the fully formed dependencies it requires. Most dependencies are services. Angular uses dependency injection to provide new components with the services they need. Thank you. I